Hello, this is Bill with Money for Coffee. Today I'm going to show you how to publish a landing page and GetResponse. That's how to publish a landing page and GetResponse. So if you don't have a GetResponse account, there's a link below the video in the description. It's completely free. You don't need any payment or anything. And alright, so and you get when you first 30 days, you get a free trial of the advanced features, and after that you can keep your free forever plan as long as you want. You just have to pay more if you would like the advanced features. But okay, I have an account, so I'll just go and log in. Okay, it's logging in. Okay, after you log in, you come up here to Tools, and you hit Landing Pages. Okay, now here's my landing page. Now all you have to do, this video is not about building a landing page, I have a video on that, but once you have your landing page built, and you saved it and exited, and you'll be back on this page. I'll just show you that real quick. Just loading this real quick. I'll just show you this real quickly. Okay, once you finish up, I just hit save. So this is once you're completed with your landing page. Then just come over here and hit save and exit. And then we want to go back to the page we were on. Okay, we're back to our landing pages. I just wanted to show you that real quick. Okay, so all you have to do to publish this is just pick whatever landing page in this list. And if you have the free account, you're only allowed one. That's another thing. If you want more than one landing page, you have to go with the paid version, which starts at $19 a month if you pay monthly, or $15 if you pay yearly. But anyway, so okay, here's the one I have. So just come over here, and to publish it, you just click on this, and it's published. And then if you're like, well, no, I'm not ready yet, you can go back and unpublish it. Another way that you can do the same thing is just come over here to the right, these three little dots, the three little dots here to the right, and go up and hit Edit Settings. And then when you're here, you can change anything if you have to in the settings, but if you don't have to, you can also just come down here. I always hit Save to be safe. And then just hit Publish. And that should publish it. And then here's the page. I'll just copy this real quick. And then I'll show you. I'll go back to the landing pages real quick. Okay, when I came back over here, what I did is I logged out and then I logged back on. It lists as published. So you could do it either way. Like I said, you can come over to these three dots, hit Edit Settings, go to the bottom, hit Save, and then Published. It doesn't show up here right away sometimes. So, or if you wanted to, you could just come here and hit Published. But if it gives you your URL, and then you try your URL, and it works, then you know it published it. But sometimes on the status, it doesn't show up right away for some reason. But that's no big deal. I'll bring this, let me see, I'll bring this over here, this window. And let's just see. Because here's the page, because I added it to my domain. Let's just see if it works. And here we go. Works perfect. So we're good to go. Alright guys, yeah, that's showing you how to publish a landing page in GetResponse, just the published part. But if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. That way you can always reference it in your liked videos. And also, if you want to get GetResponse, there's a link in the description below the video. Thank you very much, guys, and have a good day.